Morning, everybody. I'm whispering, trying to whisper. My brother's still asleep. We're about to head to the gym and train either chest or arms or shoulders. Which one?
We should just do arms.
We'll do arms. Can you tell my brother's in the house? Chips ahoy. What's he thinking? What we got going on, baby?
It's snowing.
It's
right
snowing.
Now. I mean, you can't really see it, but it is snowing.
We're at Lowe's.
We're at Lowe's. We're getting gloves for people who are working in the kitchen and possibly totes for our own personal usage.
Cheers.
Cheers.
These are the best rubber gloves ever, y'all.
Yes, they are.
Venom
by far.
Steel. Alright, back at the house. The jerky's been in the fridge curing for 8 hours now. We're drying them off, and we're going to put this seasoning on there and put them in the drying racks. So, that's what we have going on here. And then we're just going to season them up. Alright, y'all. The meeting, or the podcast with Chris Bell was freaking awesome. We talked for like 2 hours almost, I think. So, super excited to publish that one. I'm going to go down there and spend some time with them at Super Training Gym in California at some point. So, excited about that. Check out this dehydrator. Can't see the meat, but it's getting drier. Now, what are we going to do?
I'm going to go to Starbucks for a meeting.
With who?
A real estate agent.
Let's do it.
Alright, so we just left Starbucks. We met with the realtor. We were interested in some investment properties, and she showed us a few different options, and we just kind of got to know each other. Super, super cool, awesome lady. And yeah, what else we got going on?
I'm about to go to Memphis.
Robert's about to go to Memphis and leave me behind. He's always leaving me behind these
But I'm
days.
excited to go to Memphis. I'm gonna go look at exercise equipment, dumbbells.
Woo! I'm really excited for that. He better come back with some good stuff.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be pissed. Just kidding. I won't be. But it should be fun.
Alright, y'all, in the van getting gas right now. And it's snowing like crazy. I don't know if y'all could see it in the video, but check that out. Probably can't really see it. But I'm headed to Memphis. I'm gonna get some equipment. Hopefully, if the price is right, I'm looking at some dumbbells, see what else they have, maybe some squat. I don't know. We're just gonna go take a look and see what they have. Today's video footage has been pretty sparse, I'm pretty sure, because we've been just running around all day. But if we get some equipment, hopefully I can get y'all some cool footage then. So hold on, bear with me. I'm at a warehouse space in Memphis, Tennessee. Sorry I haven't given y'all any footage up to now. It's been snowing like crazy. The roads have been terrible. There was 3 wrecks. One semi was hanging over the bridge. But I went to the warehouse space. I got some equipment. I'm just gonna let you the suspense is gonna kill you. But I'm headed back home right now, and I'm gonna unload. I'm gonna show you what I got. Get ready. I'm letting y'all down today. I'm not gonna have any great content whatsoever. I'm having some serious issues right now. There's been 4 wrecks, massive wrecks on the highway. The last one was a 3-car pileup. This one is standstill traffic right now. We've been in standstill traffic for 2 hours. I was supposed to get home at 9. I'm not gonna get home until past 11. So I'm probably not gonna be able to unload the van tonight because I'm not gonna get any sleep as it is. So I'm sorry. I'm sorry. The vlog's gonna be short. The content's gonna suck. That's just the reality today. But we'll save it all for tomorrow. Tomorrow's vlog will be great. I apologize that we've not filmed any great footage today. Please forgive me. Know that tomorrow's vlog is gonna be cool because I'm gonna unload all the stuff that I got for the gym. Jonathan's coming over tomorrow. It's just gonna be good. So hopefully it's good enough to make up for today's bad vlog. I apologize. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Drive safe if the weather's bad. Don't text and drive. Take your time. Watch the road. Be safe. Drive slow. Let that be the moral of the story. Good night. Morning, y'all. You know how I said I wouldn't be home till 11 o'clock? Well, I was wrong. It's 6:20 in the morning. I've been in standstill traffic for 9:30, 10:30, 10:30, 11:30, 11:30, 12:30. 9 hours now. Haven't gotten any sleep, haven't gotten any food, not hitting my 6,000 calories because I didn't plan on being in standstill traffic for 9 hours. So I didn't bring any food. So, I'm not doing too good. I've been trying to sleep in between the 2 seats in the van here, but there's like a 2-foot gap in between the 2 seats. So my back is all kinds of jacked up right now. Yep, not too good. So, it is what it is. I'm just going to get home safely. But again, I wanted to apologize for not having anything cool on the vlog. I'll try and get a little bit of sleep when I get home. I'm just mad because I'm late in getting everything done now. Like, my clients won't be done on time. My emails, I mean, it's just bad. It's just bad. But stuff like this happens. So, I will see y'all in tomorrow's vlog. And I'm going to have a good day tomorrow. Today's today. So, I'll talk to you later. Alright, I just got back safe and sound. It is now 9 o'clock, so I was in standstill traffic for 11 hours. 11 hours. So I'm going to cut this vlog and we're going to start the next day bright and early because it's already the next day. So I'll see you later today.